think about tech brilliance, it doesn't have to be foreign to Africa. Think about Silicon Valley. The next big Silicon Valley could be from Africa. But you don't have to imagine it further because Malepa is here. Welcome to Malepa.
Talk about technology. Talk about coding. Be honest. The very first thing that comes to mind is a guy wearing glasses, sitting behind a computer, typing really fast, black screen, complicated stuff, right? Here at Malepa Educational Club, we make coding fun, simple, and exciting for your kids. From as young as 6 years old. Yes, you heard that right. Malepa Educational Club is an innovative and creative after-school club teaching kids principles of coding, developing mobile applications, developing web GIS applications, and even up to drone programming.
Imagine no one thought about inventing a mobile phone, a smartphone, internet, Facebook. Where will we be? This makes life easier for all of us. But there's one thing in common about all these things: research and development. Somebody researched, somebody developed. And here we are, we have all these things.
Here in Malepa, we have big footprints in the education sector where we teach children at a very young age how to code. We also have footprints in different other things: training, drone technology, GIS web, and you name it. Imagine one day, whatever you think of, whatever you can imagine tech related, there is a one-stop here in Malepa Tech.
Why teach kids coding? You may ask. Because kids, they are driven by pure imagination, unlimited by experiences. There are numerous benefits that are related to coding. Talk about creative thinking, talk about improvement in academic performance, talk about analytic thinking.
At Malepa Tech, we look at bringing efficiency into everyday processes. For example, we like to help a company reduce turnaround time in doing their processes. We like to help a company automate their processes so that things are done seamlessly and effectively. So that's what we do at Research and Development. We look at innovative ways to help companies, to help clients, our clients, in dealing with their processes in an effective and efficient way.
Malepa is here to stay, technology is here to stay. Africa is not going back into the dark age, but Africa is going forward. And with Malepa, we want to go forward with you. Thank you.